In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this HUAWEI. Firstly, if you want to change it, you can always go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System and Updates. Now select Language and Input, and from here select Keyboard. Now you can click on Theme and tap on the best one for you in order to set it up. For example, that one. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something more interesting, you need to click on App Gallery and download Microsft SwiftKey keyboard. This one. Then, when it's ready, open it. Then you need to click on Enable SwiftKey, tap on this switcher next to it, and tap on OK in Attention pop-up in order to continue. Now just select SwiftKey, tap on it over here to set it up as your default keyboard, and tap on Finish Up. Now you can log in into one of your accounts or just tap on Not Now. Then pick one of those options in this Help Microsoft Improve pop-up and tap on OK. Then close your app and go into Devices Settings to make sure that it will work properly. So in Settings, scroll down, click on System and Updates, Language and Input, but this time Microsoft Keyboard. Now you need to choose Themes and click on yours. Over here you can pick one of those keyboards by clicking on the best one, or customize it with an image by clicking on Customized option. Now click on Start under Design New Theme and choose Add Image. Then select Allow in this pop-up and tap on the photo that you wish to set up. In my case, maybe that one. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now you can adjust also, just a second, okay. Now you can adjust background darkness by swiping left or right and tap on Done at the top right corner. Then manage key borders and symbols by choosing those switchers and save your theme by clicking on Save. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!